your dough on the table and then pump. Tap, tap, tap it. Good job, everybody. Good job. Okay, now, ready to roll your dough with teacher? Okay, let's start rolling our dough. Roll, roll, roll your dough with me. Rolling, 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 roll your dough with me. I want you to make a long snake. Use your hands. With your hand. Okay, and then put it on top of your dough like this. And then roll. Two hands, use your hands. Okay, good job. See, Caitlin can make a long snake using her two hands. And also Kylie. Good job. You press a little harder. Press a little harder. There. And also Andy, see? Okay, roll. Let's sing again. Roll, roll, roll your dough with me. Rolling, 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 roll your dough with me. Look at teacher's snake. It's very long. Nice. Good job, Vivian. Okay, be careful. Okay. Okay, let's wait for Kylie and Andy. Okay. Let's wait for them. Okay. Teacher will give you your blue trays. You will start. Yes. Good job, Cedric. You know what to do. Andy, Kylie, and Caitlin. Caitlin, here's yours. Okay, you know what to do, right? You will start from the smiling face. Where's the smiling face? Good job, everybody. You know now what to do. Okay, good job. Good job. Good job. Wow. Okay. Now ready to tap your dough? Where are your fingers? Go like this. Look at teacher. Ready to tap? Teacher doesn't have blue tray. Teacher will just use this one. I have a Y. Okay. Use your fingers. Ready to tap? Let's tap, tap, tap and tap. I'm gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. I'm gonna tap, tap, tap and tap and stop. You think we need more tapping? Stop. Okay, again. Let's do it again. Let's sing for the others. We gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. We're gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. We're gonna tap, tap, tap and tap and stop. Okay, I want to see your Y, your letter Y. Can you put it up? Put it up and show the teacher. Let me see. Good job, Andy. High five. Oh. See, really, you can do it by yourself. High five, teacher. Yeah. Good job. See, you can do it alone now, Kyle and Vivian.